Bit overdressed for that commute. The sun is out today. Plan for today, guys.
Black Friday content.
the stills. You need the still photos.
Slash maybe short videos.
That's like my speciality.
Short cinematic pieces involving bits of bicycles.
That's why my job title is...
Content Creation King.
Exactly.
Or Content Creation Wizard, depending which day of the week it is. I just got an invitation in my diary to Christmas date night. Okay. Accept that's from you, thank you.
Yes, it's me.
Hello! He always walks off.
Disco. Strong. That's a strong look, that.
Oh, you've been away for so long. Yeah. Are you better now?
Yeah, I don't sound like I don't have sexy Chris voice anymore, do I? Do you want to get this any closer?
No, this is the angle that we film you at now. Beard eye view.
Yeah. Better.
That's when Chris told me he's going to start a vlog and this is the angle he'll use.
So it's the whole thing's like this. So you just walk around, and, you know, I can just walk around
Chris
and talk to people.
view.
George, this is how I'm going to vlog.
Careful, you're overexposed.
Am I?
Okay,
I'm going to vlog like this. I'm overexposed.
You're correctly exposed.
Oh, what if I come in there? Am I
underexposed.
Oh shit.
Guests like just like come in like this.
Hey,
like, hello.
yeah, hello.
That's how you talk to people.
I'm on a vlog.
What are you looking at?
From Yarn.
Can you knit me?
What would you like? Would you like a sock?
No, I want a small knitted version of Chris.
Actually, yeah, I can.
I want a range of woolen hats. I'm going to start a hat brand called Hatticus. You like that?
Mate, I just gave you a new hat and you're making a fucking new hat brand. Disrespectful. Out of here. Welcome to the most noisy office in the world. Today we're doing a day of work at Jam Cycling. People dancing all over the place. It's too early for this.
Oh, that's what it was.
Do you know how zen I feel? Because I don't have a phone.
Satisfying.
Zen. I wonder if there's any science behind, like, I haven't been staring at a screen, like, it hasn't been leeching my brain for at least 24 hours now. What's that?
That's the hand movement you've been doing.
The leeching.
Yeah, just still on yarn.
If you don't knit me a Chris, I'm going to be upset.
I want a life-size version of me. I always have a friend.
I just want to smell.
It's like, it is amazing, isn't it?
I wonder if it's bad for you.
Hey, look, I'll get the other one open.
Yeah, let me both do it.
You can have this one.
Is it bad for you? This is chain wax, if anyone's wondering. Mixed with drugs. Woo!
20 balls of yarn.
Oh, nice.
You bought 20 balls.
I don't know if I can even use a loom.
Did you buy a loom as well? Did
Yes.
She's been talking about buying this the whole of yesterday afternoon. She was talking about buying a loom. Ooh. That's looming.
Yeah.
That looks like cheese grating.
She's grated a pear the other day
Why?
to put in my overnight oats. Really satisfying. Grating a pear is more satisfying than grating an apple because it's softer consistency.
Oh, what have you done?
Oh, we're all inside the car.
How have you done this? We're inside the cops.
Instagram magic. I need to get Chris inside his car.
It's fair.
Oh, I want to see.
Oh,
yeah?
she doesn't need it.
It's brand new.
Spank. I just took it out of this box.
Right.
It's spanky.
Nothing against ceramic speed, but is it going to spin longer than a Kogel? Jockey wheel. Jockey wheel.
This is pulley wheel, SRAM 11 red, ceramic speed.
Is that a good one?
It's the one, I think. I think they have one offering.
So we're going to race one of these jockey wheels, one of the ceramic speeds, against a Kogel. Which version of the Kogel is this?
That's the nice one.
This is the nicest one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think the Kogel one's like 270. Ceramic ones are 170.
So the Kogel's more expensive.
Kogel one's a bit more expensive, yeah.
A pretty expensive upgrade for your bike for what is a very small thing.
Yeah. Have we put them on your bike?
No.
Have we not?
No. That's why I'm slow, mate.
We should put them on your bike because I really like it. I don't know about you, but I really like it. I really liked it when I had the ceramic speed ones, and I really like it now.
You can't notice it though, can you?
Yeah, that's the thing.
You can.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
You really can. Especially if you've got the bottom bracket as well. I've got a Kogel bottom bracket of jockey wheels on my time trial bike and on my Quirk. Completely different end of the spectrum types of bikes. Both work fantastically. And they're also flipping good fidget spinners.
Best of three.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Best of three.
I'm going full beans.
Okay, if you're going full beans, I'll
So we'll
probably
do full beans and then switch.
Disclaimer, this is not really a scientific test because they're just going like that.
And
But Do it as fairly as possible.
Do it
as fairly as possible.
We'll do it as fairly as possible. This is an upper versus an upper as well. I've just spotted that.
Yeah, upper versus upper.
That's definitely science.
Are we going on go or are we going on 1?
3, 2, 1, go. That's quite a good one.
That was a B.
Hold on, keep going. So you're on 3. Go for number 4. Number 5. Come on, get it right.
Spin it hard,
Number 6.
Chris, come on.
He's spin it hard. Mine's still going a little bit.
Don't squeeze it either.
He's not squeezing it. We want this to be a fair test.
I'm trying, alright.
Stopped. Go. Oh, I got a really good spin on that one, but it's still not quite good enough.
I mean, I get bored not having to respin.
There you go, advert for Ceramic Speed. If you don't want to get bored while you're spinning your spinner, to get one of these because you have to keep spinning it. Sorry, Ceramic Speed.
Didn't win.
Anyone watching from Ceramic Speed, you want to send us some better ones? Brand new out of the box.
We can retest.
That Friction Packs link again, someone.
Kid Carbon will have a website dedicated to fidget spinners. But does molten speed wax smell of cherries?
No.
So my mum's asked for this back. So my Christmas jumper she made me last year. And I think she got the sizings a little baby bit wrong. I think she followed the wrong pattern.
No, it's just crop top.
It's small, I can't actually get my head through the badger.
You have to shrink your head. I know a great guy.
Lucy.
In a lift.
You're getting a lift. Phase 2 of today. George has buggered off, so we're not going to do any work at all. Alright, we'll do a little bit of work. We can go down to the place with a nice light before the light goes.
Oh, you're sick. Ooh.
So because I know it's freezing outside, I've put a woolly hat on, but I'm still wearing shorts and a t-shirt. It's the best of both worlds.
I've got 2 t-shirts, a jumper and jeans.
2 Chris's!
What? Spare one.
Lovely.
It's nice, isn't it?
Real temperature.
Warmer than George's flat out here.
They put a sign up for Lawrence. Just behind you. No fouling. Fouling. Yeah.
Take a picture of that back.
Yeah.
What, instead of actually doing it properly?
Black Friday deals in here. We got red.
Do you know where that's from?
Red. 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 Food. Red. Crank. 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 Goggle.
Bottom. Back.
That's it.
Oh man.
So weird.
This is another situation where it looks really warm. It is freezing out here, and I'm wearing a t-shirt.
But you've got a woolly hat on.
But I got a woolly hat. But I got a woolly hat. Pow, 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 pow.
My children.
What? Waxy babies. Do they do a purple one?
Not yet.
Coming soon.
Is it? Really?
Don't tell anyone.
So what I've done is, because George is gone, I've opened the door to the conservatory balcony bit, so all the warmth comes in. Warmer flat. How warm is it out here?
It's so nice.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Is it lunchtime?
I think so.
Why are we whispering?
Just in case George hears that we've left the balcony open.
Close this pit, it's time.
Yeah. Now how do we get out? I keep going. I can't stop. Ooh.
Some ice cream? Not really.
Perfect weather.
Well, I might buy
I thought you were on a special diet, Chris.
Sometimes it's loaf, like basically Halo ice cream.
We never did your Q&A, there were lots of questions about your diet.
We do actually, Friday we could do that. I've got like, because I did the post on Instagram as well, I have literally probably about 100 questions. Probably all asking the same thing, like where'd you get your camera strap from and now you're running tubeless tyres.
And are you going to start a vlog?
And am I going to start a vlog?
I know the answer to that though.
So do I.
You heard it first.
Buttercup, cinnamon roll, chocolate flavoured.
Explain to the viewers what the rule is there. So if an item in a shop comes in one packet, then it's for one person.
So these, for one packet, look at the calorie number.
Nearly as cold as your flat in there.
I feel like treating myself.
That's £7.
It's ridiculous. It's like half price in Tesco's.
This shop.
Look, if you want a deal, you can find one. I'm gonna
69p.
treat myself to this milk.
So next project for today is a bit weird.
Shower time.
That's horrible.
Shower time.
You ready?
So let's do a dry one, genuinely.
If you can guess what we're doing, Put it in the comments.
No one's got a clue.
No, that's going to have a clue. But it involves a shower and a clothed man. Is it warm?
It is warm.
We have an accident in the workplace. Contact HR.
I've done all the health and safety, obviously.
Yeah, well, there's water going on that extension lead. And the last operation for today, fourth cat tap. Operation fourth cat tap. The problem is everything in Jam HQ has wend on it instead of chain oil. So how do we get a really dirty chainring? There's an old one.
Full gas ahead. Old bike that she did London, Edinburgh, London on. I'm gonna just go for a press on.
Yeah, sure.
Ready?
Oh, fuck that shit, wasn't it? Good.
Oh, yeah.
No one would have a... No one would ever actually get that.
That's a 65 ring tooth chain ring there.
Yeah, nice, yeah. Do your,
Hey man, don't do my
do your eye
makeup.
makeup. I am out of here. The light is making you look very evil. You look so evil.
I look especially ginger as well.
You always look especially ginger. Next day postage. Back in business.